Welcome to Raw Perfect classes. My name is Rachna Rana. My qualification is BCom, MCom, MCA and MBA, and I have 20 years experience of teaching. I have the subjects knowledge, commerce, management, math, English, IT subjects. Today I am going to start YouTube channel for math classes. I am going to start first lesson of matrices. Today I am only discuss about matrices, who introduced matrices, where we used matrices, and what is matrices, and how to represent matrices. Now I am going to first of all discuss about who introduced. It was introduced by James Sylvester. Introduced by James Sylvester. But his friend who developed the algebraic aspects of matrices in 1858. The name of that person is Arthur Cayley, and that person is mathematician and lawyer. Mathematician and lawyer. And this person is also called father of matrices. Now I am going to discuss about where matrices is used. Matrices are used in daily life. Matrices are used in following applications: games, building construction, animation. Animation means cartoons, for making cartoons perfect and precise. Physics, for calculating the battery outputs. Encryption, for the safety point of view. Matrices is used for keys. Dance. Matrices are also used for complex dance like Rambha and Sambha. Matrices are also used in 2D and 3D transformation of objects. Transformation of object in computer graphics, etc. Now I am going to discuss what is matrices, and matrices is a combination of rows and columns. Now I am going to tell how to represent we can denote matrix by capital letter A and elements of matrices by small letters. Elements means those numbers which are written in a matrix. A matrix is written as A is equal to square bracket start 5 6 3 2 1 2 and square bracket close, and in the base of square bracket we write the order of matrix, and now order of matrix is 2 by 3. First value of order is represent rows, means 2 rows. Second value represent 2 columns, means 3 columns. Here 2 rows, first row, second row. So we call it row 1, row 2. And in vertical form, we call these 3 columns. This is column 1, column 2, column 3. So we can say that the order of matrix is 2 by 3. And this value is called A11. This value is called A12. And this value is called A13. A11 means first row, first column. A12 means first row, second column, and 2 means second column, and in the 8th one 3 means first row and third column. And like this, in second row, this value represent to A21. A21 means second row, first column, and this value represent to second row, second column, means A22, and this value represent to A23, means second row, third column. And thus we can say this is a 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 matrix. This is the first lesson in which I discussed only who introduced matrix, where used matrix, what is matrix, and how to represent matrix. Now I again repeat. Who introduced matrix? It was introduced by James Sylvester, and father of matrix is Arthur Cayley, who is a mathematician and lawyer and who developed an algebraic aspects of matrices in 1858. So we call him father of matrices. Where we use the matrices? We are using the matrices in our daily life. Example, games, building construction, animation effects, physics, encryption, for complex dance, for 2D and 3D transformation of objects, in computer graphics. In computer graphics, we use the matrices for the purpose of rotation, scaling, and transformations of the object. What is matrices? Matrices is a combination of rows and columns. And how to represent matrix? We can denote matrix by capital letter A and elements of matrices by small letters. Elements means those numbers which are written in a matrix, and a matrix is written as A is equal to, in square brackets we write the numbers. Those numbers we written in the matrix, these are called the elements, like 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, 2. These are the numbers. These are called the elements. And from left to right means in horizontal form we write those numbers. This is called the row. And when we write top to bottom, and means we write top in vertical form those numbers, that is called the column. So here 563 is the first row, 212 is the second row, 52 is the first column, 61 is in a second column, 32 in a third column. So we can say that it is a 2 by 3 matrix, because in this matrix there are 2 rows and 3 columns, and each elements represent 2 small letters like A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. This is the matrix representation. In this lesson, I only discuss who, what, where, how about the matrices. But in coming lessons, lesson 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in each lessons, I will discuss each and every topic in detail. In my next lesson, I will discuss about what are the types of matrices and how to represent these matrices, and what are the operations performed on these matrices. I will discuss in detail in my next lesson. So please, if you like this video, please like and share my video, and click on the subscribe button, so that I can share in future other lessons which are useful for all students who are the college students, who are the school students. And this topic is very beneficial for the all students who are study in +2 class, and they are studying the math. And in next lessons I will teach you types of matrices, operations of matrices. So please like and share my video. If you like, please like and share and subscribe. If you don't like my video, then please write in comment what's the problem in this video. Then I will improve my video in next process. Thank you.